Eric Hammer here, registered physiotherapist. Today, I'd like to show you the best way to stretch out your psoas muscle. But before I continue, please hit that subscribe button below so you'll be notified about any new videos I have here on my channel. So essentially, the psoas muscle is a hip flexor muscle. So the muscle runs in the front of the leg. It actually attaches onto the lower back region, and it's responsible for hip flexion when it contracts. Also, when it's really tight, it can actually, when we're in a standing position, it can pull us into an anterior tilt position in through the pelvis. So it basically pulls our pelvis forward, which can actually have a detrimental effect on our lower back, particularly if we don't have a strong foundation, or if we don't have a strong core muscles or deep abdominal muscles. This can really cause a lot of shearing and discomfort and pain in through the lower back region. And so today I wanted to show you a simple way to actually stretch out this muscle. And typically with this, we want to make sure that when we're doing stretching for the psoas or mobility exercises in through the hip area, typically we also want to counteract that with some strengthening muscles that help to stabilize the lower back and also the kind of the glute region area. So I just wanted to put that out there as well, that when we're dealing with the psoas muscle, if there's an overuse of that muscle, typically there's a weakness in another area. So essentially, the way that you want to stretch this out, it's a two-step process, so to speak. So if I'm stretching out my right leg, I'm going to bring my left leg forward and bend, right? So I'm essentially leaning forward. And then because of that attachment point in through the lower back, right, it basically comes along the side. You actually want to lift up if I'm stretching out the right side, I'm lifting up my right arm, and I'm slightly side bending back as I'm leaning forward. That's really going to target that psoas muscle appropriately. In a lot of cases, people, when they're doing this hip flexor stretch, they might just be on the one knee and basically lean forward. We really want to add in that lengthened position in through the trunk region with a side bend as we're doing that to really isolate that psoas muscle. Please make sure to check with a physiotherapist to make sure that this exercise is appropriate for you. And if you have any questions or concerns, please hit that comment below and I'll answer those. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Take care. Bye.